Let's take a look at some of the typical ports and buses that you'll find on a motherboard. Drive controllers operate your floppy and hard drives. A 20-pin power connector runs the motherboard from the power supply. 168-pin DIMM connectors allow you to add system memory to the motherboard. A zero insertion force socket allows you to add a processor such as a Pentium 4. An AGP slot lets you add a high-performance graphics adapter. And several PCI slots let you expand the system with a wide variety of devices.